Hello, my name is Sara Sofia Rodriguez Ovalle. Marco Polo and the Silk Road. The Silk Road is over 2,000 years old and 6,000 kilometers long. It goes across Europe and Asia. Many people travel on this road to buy and insect, seal, and other goods. Marco Polo strayed he traveled on the Silk Road when he was 70 in the years 100 to 1071. He traveled from Italy to China. The trip was difficult and it took 3 years. When he was two 21, Marco met the ruler of China, Kublai Khan. Marco lived in China for the next 70 years. Marco returned to Italy when he was 41. Bye.